Caribbean nations united in a powerful display of hope and resilience for the 4th Heavenly Culture World Peace Restoration of Light affiliated Peace Walk. Hundreds of young people, community leaders, and police officers across the region took to the streets simultaneously in Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, Guyana, Haiti, St. Kitts, St. Vincent, Antigua, St. Lucia, and Montserrat. It was an inspiring call for unity, youth engagement, and peace amid ongoing social challenges. Marlon Samuels was at the march in Kingston, Jamaica, and he filed this report.
In Kingston, despite an ongoing curfew in Allman town due to recent violence, participants gathered to send a clear message: peace is possible when we come together.
Well, my team and I decided to be a part of this march today, because we thought it to be very important, right? We understand it is all about peace and spreading peace in the community of Allman town. And as police officers, we are also tasked to protect, reassure, and ensure that peace prevails across all communities that we serve. And so we believe that it is quite important, and it was adept that we participate in an initiative such as this.
Organized by the International Peace Youth Group in partnership with HWPL, UNESCO Jamaica, and local authorities, the Caribbean-wide initiative emphasizes regional cooperation and social cohesion.
We believe that as a young leaders organization whose founding principle is that on promoting world peace, the HWPL organization that promotes world peace, we thought that with both of our mandates being same, it is good for us to be a part of this work. And as this year being the year of the youth, it also means that as young people, we are to stand on the forefront of world peace and to promote world peace and to maintain peace in all its forms.
We spoke with Terry Salmon from Yard Empire. Yard Empire mentors at-risk youth, especially young men. The organization uses the arts, sports, and recreation to build self-worth and reduce crime.
We have been doing this because we do realize that peace begins with each and every one of us. Peace begins with our youth, with the family. And as you would have seen here with me are my youth that I have been encouraging, teaching them about gender-based violence, sexual harassment, how to prevent it. Because what's been happening in our community is a lot of domestic violence in the home, a lot of gender-based violence. And so when you teach the children what it is and how to prevent it, then there would be the generational change.
Superintendent of Police in charge of the Kingston Central Division, Mishka Farbs, highlighted the positive impact the Peace March, which is in its 4th staging, is having.
We have seen where it does make a difference in the lives of those who decide to participate in the march, right? Because the message that we bring, that we try to spread, is that it is important that persons maintain the peace, shun violence and violent activities, choose a better way of life within the communities.
According to President of JCI, Jamaica, Markland Bedward, the Peace Walk demonstrates that young people have a voice and can drive positive change.
We cannot absolve ourselves from peacemaking. We have to be a part of it. We can't be bystanders of the peace that we want in this world. Jamaica and Jamaica at large will benefit from this because we believe that once we can have peace, we can have safer families, safer places to work, safer places to do business as well.
One Caribbean! As the region continues to face social challenges, this movement reminds us all that peace is achievable when we unite.
Because I believe that as Caribbean nations, sometimes we feel inferior or we don't have a voice in the space at the world table. However, we've had strong leaders in the Caribbean who are stepping up. Barbados comes to mind, and I believe that Jamaica and other countries can also look at that as an example, because I believe that if we stand up, despite the consequences or repercussions, we stand together as a Caribbean, we believe that we can achieve that peace.
From Kingston to the Caribbean, hope is alive. For PBCJ News, I am Marlon Samuels. Remember, peace begins with each of us.
And the best thing for the country right now is war going on. And my kids them. But that we want, peace, I can't war.